we will write a program to check whether a 4-digit number which is entered is a take number. A take number has even number of digits. If the number is split in two equal halves, then the square of sum of these halves is equal to the number itself. For example, 3025. Square of sum of halves of 3025 means we have to make two equal parts of 3025. First part is 30, second part is 25. If we add this 30 and 25, it becomes 55. The square of 55 is 3025, which is equal to the original number. So 3025 is known as a take number. Now we will be writing a program to accept a 4-digit number and check whether it is a take number. For this, we require one variable in which we will be storing the number. Then we require one more variable, rem, which is of type integer, which will be storing the remainder. We will divide this num by 100 and remainder we will be storing in the variable name. This percent sign is called a modulus operator, which gives the remainder. Then we will be declaring one more variable, QUO, to store the quotient. Yes, num divided by 100 will be getting the 2 digits as a quotient. Then this sum and sum will be the variable in which we will be storing the sum of rem and q. Then we will be finding the square of sum and store it into SQ. If this SQ is equals to num, we'll declare the number is a take number. Now we'll start writing a program using BlueJ. Let's create a new class and give the number to this class, check for take. The class we have given class name check for take. So we will be accepting a number using the scanner class over here. For using the scanner class, we have to import util class, util package. So we will be importing, I'll just increase the size of the font so it will be more visible properly. Increase the font size. Public class check for take is the name of our class. Now as I told you, we will be using the scanner class over here. So we will be importing import java.util.star public static void main as one method in our program. Scanner SC is equals to new scanner system.in. Scanner class is declared. Object of the scanner class is declared. Now let's show the message system.out.println. Enter any number. Now what we'll do, this number we are accepting, but we'll not accept it into integer. We'll be accepting it as a string. String num is equals to sc.next. sc.next is a method to accept a string, and sc is what? The object of this scanner class. This object we have created, and with this object we are calling the method next. Next is the method which accepts a string. Now why we accepted it as a string, it becomes easy for us to find out the length by using the len function. So integer len is equals to num dot length. We'll be finding the length means what? We'll be finding the number of digits. We'll find, I'm writing in the comment, number of digits in the string. In number we can say. In number, how many digits are there, that we'll be finding out. If len is equals to 4, then we don't have any problem. But if it is not equals to 4, if len is not equals to 4, then we are going to show the message system.out.println. For showing the message in the terminal window, this is the method we have to use. Enter 4-digit number only. Okay, this message will be displayed if the user do not enter the number with the 4 digits, and immediately we will be exiting system.exit. There and then it will come out of the system. Now as we have 2 sentences after the if on the basis of the condition, yes, we have given it inside the bracket. Okay, now the number is accepted, but it is accepted as a string, so we will have to convert it into the integer. N is equals to, will declare integer dot parse int num, will convert this string into the number integer. See, this parse int is a method which converts the string into the integer. Yes, so n is a variable in which we will be storing the number which we are converting into integer. Now integer is a wrapper class and parse int is a method of that wrapper class which will convert the given string into an integer. Okay, now what we have to do? We just have to find out the remainder, quotient. So we will be declaring the variable integer rem equals to 0, comma, quotient equals to 0, comma, then we will be finding the sum of those two parts. So sum is equals to 0, and we will be finding the square. So sq is equals to 0. All these variables are declared. Now let's find out the remainder. Rem is equals to n modulus 100. Now mod is this is a mod function, sorry, mod operator. Yes, it's called which operator? It's called a modulus operator. Percent sign is a modulus operator. What it does? Modulus operator finds remainder. It gives you the remainder. Okay, so we have done rem is equals to n modulus 100. Now if you mod by 100, you will be getting last 2 digits separated. If you mod by 10, you will be getting last 1 digit separated. Yes, then we have to do the quotient. Quotient is equals to n divided by 100. Here we will be getting the quotient, division operator simple. Sum is equals to rem plus quotient, and then sq is equals to, what we are going to do in the sq? Sum into sum, because we want to find out the square of that number. Now if this sq is equals to the original n, that is number, we will be printing system.out.println. What will print? It is a text number. Number, else the message will be what? System.out.println, it is not a text number. Yes, complete the main, complete the class, and let's check for the error. If any error is there in the program, there is no error in the program, close it, check for text, just void main and see the output. Enter any number. Let's enter the 3025. It is a text number. Yes, it is a text number message we have got. Now if you enter a number which is not of 4 digits. Okay, suppose I enter a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5-digit number. Let's check what message it shows. It shows the message enter 4-digit number only. Yes, so let's try, and it has come out of the terminal window because we gave system.exit. Now I am entering 2025. It is a teck number. Yes, 2025 is also a teck number. Now let's check for any other number which is not a teck number. Suppose I am entering 3026. Is it showing it is not a teck number? Yes. So we have to test for all the conditions which we have given. On the basis of that, whether we are getting the correct answer or not. Yes. So hope the program it is